Happy birthday to you. Woo! Coming to you live right here. And it's about us. They know how to serve up a birthday boy right here with all that beauty, goodness, and all the great. You know, I'm with my dear friends here. I got Giorgio here. I've got the beautiful, look at that, as it just went out right there. I got the beautiful Kim Southers over there. Look at as old as she can look right now. We've got the big man over here, Giorgio. Giorgio, what's that? Lean forward into all of that goodness? All right. As you can see, that's the way it's served up here with Mr. Sunshine Live.